Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Dollar Tree haul. This one is a little bit random because it's a lot of really random things I picked out for some crafting and like some DIYs and things like that. I'm trying to go a little bit out of the box here. Being in like the DIY like Dollar Tree community is kind of rough. I'm not like 100% in there because I like doing other things, so that's not like the only thing I do, but it can get tough and it can get tricky because a lot of people come up with the same ideas. Anyways, I went there just thinking outside the box. I brought along Pinterest with me for like some inspiration just on doing like all kinds of different things. So you're gonna see some really random things here. So I'm just gonna jump right in and show you what I purchased. So these aren't really random at all, but I thought these are really cute. They have like some spring flowers in these little, I don't know what you'd call these, but I thought these are really cute just to display somewhere. I think these are really pretty. I might even throw these in my 3-tier tray. And then the next thing I got isn't even for a DIY. I just thought these were really pretty. There are these like little diffusers and you just stick the little sticks in the bottle and then open them up and it's supposed to make your house smell nice. I got some of these from Christmas and I really liked them from there, so I grabbed a few different ones this time. I grabbed Coconut, Garden, Rain, and Orchid, and I just thought those were so pretty. The next thing I grabbed is some letters to make maybe some signs with. These are foil die cut letters. These were in the teaching section. I thought these would work really great as stencils or even like stickers, and you can always like paint them or something like that, but really liked that. I grabbed some more of these candles. I did DIY with these this spring, but I have another one coming up for you with these. I picked up some of these. I have already seen these used in some DIYs that I have seen on YouTube already, and I thought I'd pick some up and make some myself. I grabbed these. I don't know if these are new, these little arrows. I thought these would be really cute to DIY as well. I grabbed these little jars. I've never seen these ones before, and I thought these were really cute just the way they are, or you could paint them. You can just take this little wire right off. But I kind of really liked that. I kind of liked that. I thought that was really cute. I grabbed a ton of these tower games. These are really fun to use to make all kinds of stuff with. They're wood, so they work really well. I think I grabbed 6 of these. Yes, I grabbed 6. I grabbed a baby bottle, like yes. So pick up these items. These are for crafting. So this is like I said, it's really random. Picked up some floral wire. These are in the auto section. These are hook and loop fasteners. I thought I could stick these on my wall and be able to hang things with and just remove them easily. I picked up 2 hula hoops. They have 2 different sizes. They have a smaller one and they have a larger one. I don't have the tags on these, so I think this was like a 16-inch and I think this one was a 10-inch. But like I said, I don't have the sizes, but these go super fast, so like pick these up while you can. I grabbed some contact paper. Actually, this isn't even contact paper. It's banner art paper. This is also in the teaching section, but it looks like wood, and I really like that. I hate the contact paper at the Dollar Tree. Like I don't like it at all, actually. I don't like it. And Presley was like playing with this and I looked at it, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna grab this. So thank you, Presley, for touching everything in the store. I grabbed some craft sticks. I don't even know if I have this size, but I thought I could use them. Also grabbed, you guys, just like bear with me, okay? Because I grabbed a baby bottle for, I don't have a baby. I grabbed 4 of these mallets. The handles are wood, so I thought that would be kind of cool to use, but I also thought these would be really cool for a DIY. So hopefully what I want to do with it actually works, because if it does, it's going to be awesome. So I grabbed some mallets. The guy that was checking me out at the Dollar Tree, he was like, what is going on? Like, he was looking at me like I was insane, but realistically, like, I bought these and I bought this and I bought a baby bottle with my 3-year-old. So, I mean, it's, you know. And then I grabbed some skewer sticks. These ones are super long. These are 32 inches long. And I've never seen this size there before. But I picked these up. So, I thought that was cool. Also seen these little chalkboard wood stakes. These are super cute for DIYs. Even if you want to like plant these in your, or use these in your garden or something. I don't know, I thought these were really cool, and I've never seen anything like this at the Dollar Tree. I grabbed a bowl and I grabbed a plate and bowl for one. And then I also picked up, I guess this is the last thing I picked up. And the last thing I picked up is just a bunch of these signs. The possibilities are endless with these, you guys. These ones say welcome to paradise, welcome to the tiki bar. So if you guys wanted to keep these out for summertime, they're really colorful and really cute. They're getting a ton of summer stuff out. I didn't need any of it, so but there's a lot of summer stuff out and it's all really cute. Welcome to Paradise. Like I said, I grabbed 4 of these. I didn't really care what they looked like because I'm just going to paint over them or paint behind them, so it didn't really matter to me. If you guys like this weird haul, make sure you give it a thumbs up. So these are like some craft supplies that I think you need to go and get right now before everything is gone. So yeah, that's it, you guys. If you like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more hauls, reviews, Dollar Tree DIYs, because obviously there's a lot coming up. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.